Hello crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest baby blanket pattern, block stitch. It takes time to crochet baby blankets, but you can finish quickly with this pattern. Also easy for beginners. I have two balls of yarn, pale pink and cream. I'm gonna use them. I recommend using two colors. I choose pastel colors, but you can choose more bright colors. And of course you can use a different kind of yarn. My yarn is 50% acrylic and 50% cotton yarn. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to open notifications. Also, I'm open for recommendations. Thank you for watching. Let's start. First of all, I grab my main color and make a slip knot. Make chains multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I made 24 chains. I'll show a small sample. Plus 3 chain. This is our first double crochet. And make double crochet in the 4th chain. If you want, you can make treble crochet for longest effect. By the way, I'm using 3.5mm crochet hook. Make double crochets in each stitch all the way around. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain and pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops together. This is double crochet. I'll make double crochet into all chains to the end of the row. You have to have 24 double crochet and we have one more chain, but you can rip it off easily if you have more chains than you have to. Chain 1 and leave this loop here. And we change color now. I get my cream yarn. I'm gonna start where we start. First of all, make a slip knot with cream yarn and insert your hook in the third chain that we started to double crochets and grab the cream yarn other side of the row. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 4 double crochet and single chain between 4th and 5th double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook between the double crochets, not the top of double crochets. And make single crochet. Again, chain 4 and skip 4 double crochets. Insert your hook between 4th and 5 and make single crochet. Repeat the same pattern to the end of the row. Chain 4 and skip 4 double crochets and single crochet between the double crochets. Chain 4, skip 4 double crochet and insert your hook between the double crochets and make single crochet. It looks like this. And chain 4, now we have 2 loops, but we don't have to cut the pink yarn. Insert the other loop, insert the hook through my other loop and get the cream yarn again. Get the pink yarn and pull through 2 loops together. Chain 3 with pink yarn and turn your work. Now we're gonna make double crochets. Chain 3 count as double crochet and make 3 more double crochet into the hole. We have to have 4 double crochets total. Okay. Now make 4 double crochet into the next space. Make 4 double crochet into the all spaces to the end of the row. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 together. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 together. And make 4 double crochet into the each space. It looks like this. The holes looks like bigger at first, but when you finish your blanket, it looks way better than this. And my last space, I'm gonna make 4 double crochets. Okay, we finished this row 3, and look like this. Now we get the cream yarn on the other side of the word and insert my hook into the third chain and grab the cream yarn through the chain like this, and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and skip 4 double crochets and make single crochet between the block stitches, between the 4 clusters. Now you can see where you're going to make single crochets. Chain 4 and make single crochet between the 4th and 5th double crochets. Chain 4 and make single crochet between the clusters, and chain 4, insert your hook through the pink loop and make chain with cream yarn. Tighten the pink loop like me and get the pink yarn, chain 1 and plus chain 3, count as double crochet, turn your work and make 3 more double crochet into the first space. And make 4 double crochets into the next space. Make 4 double crochets into each space to the end. Now my last space, and I made 4 double crochets and finished the pattern. You can use this pattern for baby blankets or scarves, maybe beanies. You can use this pattern in many projects. You can add borders when you finish your blanket also. You can use colorful yarns. Go back to the other side of the row and go on with cream yarn. Insert your hook into the third chain and pull up a loop with cream yarn. You can change color in every row and you can make crochet rainbow blankets. I hope you like this pattern. Please let me know in comments which patterns you want me to show you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next week and next project. Bye.